How to fix error critical process died blue screen on Windows 11. Here is how. Your machine will restart to this screen. So, all what you have to do is click on Advanced option. Now click on Command Prompt. OK, under Command Prompt type in these codes to fix the issue. bootrec.exe /fixmbr. Press Enter. Again type in bootrec/nt60 sys. Press Enter. Type bootrec.exe /fixboot. Press Enter. Here you can see access is denied. Down here type bootrec.exe /scanos. Press Enter. Again type bootrec.exe /rebuildbcd. Press Enter on your keyboard. Type in sfc /scan now. Press Enter. Lastly, type chkdsk /f/r c, then 2 dots. Press Enter. This will take a lot of time, so you have to be patient. After that type in exit. Click on exit to continue to Windows 11. The machine will restart. Done. Now here you can see the window we have successfully fixed the issue. So by following this video you will be able to fix your computer. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and even leave a comment. See you next time.